In this video, I will go ahead and explain how to use the master glass material on any architectural project to get a very high quality glass material of your architectural visualization. This material has all the important feature for glass, and it can be used on wide variety of glass materials in every architectural project you are doing in Unreal Engine. Let's go ahead and continue with the material and how you can use it. So as you can see here, to use this glass material, one very important feature you need to enable is you have to go here in your post process volume, and then you have to go in the lumen reflection, and you have to switch on this high quality translucency. So when you switch on this high quality translucency, your glass will start looking much more realistic with better reflections. So now let's go ahead and continue with this. So as you can see, I have gone ahead and applied a material on this, which is this master glass material. And when you see here, you can go ahead and use the refraction on this if you like, and then you can go ahead and give the color according to your requirement. You can go ahead and increase or decrease the IOR. You can switch off the refraction if you want. You can make it more metallic, and then you can go ahead and increase or decrease the roughness. You can go ahead and change the coverage. You can go ahead and increase and decrease the opacity if you want, right? Suppose you want extra high realistic material in your scene using this master material glass material, then in that case what you have to do is you have to go ahead in your post process volume, and then here in this advanced feature, rendering feature, this rendering features, there is a translucency option, and you have to go ahead and change this from raster to ray traced. The moment you change your translucency to ray traced, now you can go ahead and use this master material to get a very highly realistic glass material with all the surfaces, like with all the parameters we have here, right? And you can go ahead and just change the color. You can go ahead and change the opacity and the color based on your requirement. So the rule here, or the key to using this glass material and make realistic glass, is these two settings in your post process volume. So if you don't switch this on here on and then this here on, then no matter what glass material you are using, your glass will never look realistic. But if you have this glass material and then you switch these two values on, and then you can go ahead and apply this master material, use this master material to create different kinds of material for your architecture project, right? So this, I have used this in lots of my projects, for various projects, and I have got a very good result using this glass master material in lots of my architectural projects, and I thought it's highly useful, so I made it for free and I've made it available on my website. So you can go ahead and download from my website and use it on any architectural project if you like. So I hope this video was helpful to explain you all the glass master material, which is available on my website for free to download and use in any architectural project. This project, this material, I made it free because I really believe that this has helped me a lot, and so to help you all, I have made it free and available as free on my website. I will recommend you all to go ahead and download it and then use it and make lots of project and get a good quality of glass material in your architectural projects which you are going ahead and doing in Unreal Engine. So I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you all in the next video. Till then, have a great